Hello, this is Scotty with the Black Talk Media Project, and this video will show you how to use a piece of software called Format Factory to reformat an audio file. It really works with all kind of files, including video files, MP4s, and what have you. But for the purpose of this video, we want to reduce the file size of an audio file that'll be a podcast for a program on Black Talk Radio Network. And the file that was sent to me was like 600 megabytes, a pre-recorded file, 600 megabytes. We need to get that down to 60 megabytes in order to upload it to our platform, as that is the file upload limit. And when we upload it to our digital radio station to put it in a playlist, it has to be no larger than 100 megabytes. So the client sent me this large file, and luckily I have this Format Factory software to just go ahead and quickly convert it. So what we want to do is convert the WAV file that he sent me and convert it to a MP3 file, which is standard for podcasts. So we click there. What we want to do is now go to output settings, type MP3. The audio sample rate will be 44100. That's pretty standard. The bit rate, 64 kilobytes, is CD quality. That is good enough on the audio quality, because again, when you stream at a high bit rate, then some people won't be able to listen because their internet connection isn't fast enough to deal with a file that's being streamed, or a digital radio stream that's going out at 128 kilobytes. So we want to take it down to 64 kilobytes. That's still CD quality. The audio channel should be 2, and volume control 100%. So we're going to go ahead and hit OK. We got our output settings. Now we need to add the file. This is the file. It is a WAV file, and it is very large, 6 to 8 megabytes. So we need to reduce that. So we're going to go ahead and open up the file there, and we want to output it to the same folder, or you could choose, other folders, but I'm going to choose to put it in the source folder where it got it from. Okay, so we just simply hit OK, and then we hit start. This is the largest file I've ever converted. Don't know how long it will take. Probably not that long, probably about 5 minutes or less. But I'm going to pause this video until it completes. Then we'll take a listen to the file to make sure it was not corrupted in the conversion stage. And as you can see, the file is almost complete in less than 3 minutes. Took 2 minutes and 16 seconds to complete that file. It's going to open up the folder automatically where it's at, or go to open up a folder. That's not where it's at. So let me go to the right folder. Let me see. That will be Cobra. And how you can tell the difference between the files, obviously the MP3 is going to be a lot smaller. So this is the original 628 megabyte file. Let's give it a listen. Okay, so let's go to the MP3 and see if we can tell any audio quality difference. Okay, as you can see, not any audible difference whatsoever. And again, this is an MP3 format, and you can see that it's only 28.4 megabytes. And so this could be helpful to people out there who have accounts with host providers. Now, we do host podcasts for people, and we do provide that service. And like many of those services, there is a limit on the podcast or file size that you can upload. So this should be helpful to a number of people for a number of reasons. Okay, so thank you for watching again. This is free software called Format Factory. You can go to PCFreeTime.com. It's a free download. Okay? All right. Hope this was helpful. Please consider making a donation to the North Carolina-based nonprofit Black Talk Media Project. Have a great day.